Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off your MacBook Neo. The regular way to turn off your MacBook is by navigating to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and selecting shutdown option. After that, your MacBook will turn off in a couple of seconds. If your display is frozen and you cannot turn off your MacBook this way, then alternatively you can just press and hold the power key that is located in the top right corner of your keyboard. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the screen of your MacBook goes off. And right now, your MacBook is fully shut down. Now to turn it on again, just press the power button once again and wait until it is re-enabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.